Hi everyone, it's me, Maijuna, and my YouTube shop is open. I'm gonna sell some rare squishies, and all the rules and the price are in the down bar, so please check it out. And so first I have Marie squishy. This one is super cute and is also a magnet. I have Minnie Mouse. This one is really soft. And next I have Cinnamon Roll Squishy. And here is a tag, and it said 10th anniversary. And it's big if you compare with my hands. And here is a license. And for this one, it has something here. I don't know what it is. It looks like an yeah. Next, I have Grab My Melody. And here is the license at the back. And this bow made from some fabric. Next, I have Unpangman Squishy. And for this one, you will see this line. It has this line here because of the edges of this packaging made this line. And next, I have Rare Happy Tree Friends Squishy. And here is the license, and it's in the original packaging, and it said for sale in Japan only. And for this one, I have the other one, which is mine, and I'm gonna show you guys. And this is the other one that I have. I'm gonna squish it to show you guys because I don't want to squish the item that I will sell. So this is soft. Yeah, it looks like this with no packaging. And next I have these two buns. And next I have Pom Pom Puree Squishy. This is super rare, and it's also a sticker. And here's a real cellular license. And next I have this squishy, which is just came out from Real Kuma Egg series. I have called Real Kuma in a chicken costume. And here is a tag. And lastly, I have Kiroi Tori. So this is all the squishies that I'm gonna sell, and PM me for buying, and I hope you guys purchase. Bye!